Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to show you Kryptonite's upper control arm kits for the Duramax trucks, and gosh, I need a haircut. So I wanted to show you one of the best sellers that we have from Kryptonite in the upper control arm kits for the 2001 to 2010 and then 2011 to 2019 Duramax trucks. Very, very hot seller from Kryptonite. You guys know the deal on Kryptonite, made in America, lifetime warranty on their stuff. The upper control arms have been a huge seller for us because this is a great upgrade for trucks that are lifted or leveled, and it works great for stock ride height trucks as well. One of the nice things about the Kryptonite upper control arm kit is the fact that you are going to be getting a lot more functionality from the upper control arms. So these upper control arms are very, very heavy duty. You can see the thickness on those as well. The ball joints with the Kryptonite upper control arms are now bolt-in. So it's actually a bolt-in ball joint, and it is greasable as well. I do not have the grease fittings in there, but this does take a grease zerk, so these are fully greasable. Another nice feature of these upper control arms is the control arms themselves are going to be greasable. Both of these holes here are for grease zerks for the brand new poly bushings that come with the upper control arm kit. This upper control arm kit is complete. It comes with everything you need to do the installation. Nothing that you're going to be wanting for here. It also comes with new poly upper bump stops for you, so travel stops for the truck. And these work with stock size tires, oversized tires, stock ride height, leveled trucks, lifted trucks. Helps to correct the angle of these trucks, especially you guys that are just going out cranking up the torsion keys, changing torsion keys and whatnot, looking for that kind of more level look. This is really going to increase the ride quality of your truck. These things are just bulletproof. I mean, Kryptonite's got a lifetime warranty. If their stuff wasn't quality, there's no way they could back that kind of warranty up, and they can, and they will, and they do. So just a really good product from these guys. I definitely suggest, if you are shopping for these, then upgrading your cam bolt kit. We have those as well as an upsell on the website with these. While you're doing it, might as well go ahead and upgrade your cam bolt kit. Trust me, you will not be sorry that you did. Kits come with full hardware package as well, all the grease zerks that you need for the ball joints, the upper control arm bushings, and yeah. So Kryptonite upper control arm kit, really cool boxing. These guys do a good job with their packaging setup. So this is definitely a good investment for your Duramax truck.